Hello students, today we are starting the computer science class of standard 12th. We have started the journey of Python programming language in 11th standard. We are going to continue this journey in 12th also. So let us have a quick revision of 11th standard Python. Also, the first two chapters in our 12th standard are Python revision 2. So, let's start our tour. A programming language has some tokens. Now, what is a token? As a building is made up of cement, bricks, iron rods, etc., which are said to be the building blocks of a building. In the same way, a programming language program is made up of some units. The smallest individual unit of a program is known as a token. I hope you understood. Token is the smallest individual unit of a program. They are classified into 5. First, keywords, then identifiers, literals, operators and punctuators. Let us have a detailed definition of these 5 categories. Firstly, keywords. Keywords are the words which have a special meaning in a language, in a programming language. That means we can say they are reserved words. For example, for, if, while, break, continue and many more. We have learned these keywords in 11th standard. They have a specific meaning and hence they cannot be used for any other purpose. Second category is identifiers. Identifiers are names given to the variables, functions, classes, objects, etc. The variable name we give are suppose x, y, z, num1, etc. There are some rules of naming identifiers. The rules are: rule number 1. It must not be a keyword. That means we cannot give a variable name having the name for if we cannot make a variable name. So, this rule number 1 states that identifiers cannot be keywords. Second rule, it states that an identifier is made up of alphabets, digits and underscore only. That means no other special symbol is allowed. Only alphabets, digits and underscore is allowed. Digits are allowed, but rule number 3, digits are not allowed at the starting. That means we can give num1 as an identifier, but we cannot give one num as an identifier. Means digits are allowed but not at starting. Also underscore is allowed, so we can give num underscore 1 as an identifier. Then comes the literals. Literals means constants. Literals means constants and constants means fixed values. Something that will not change its value. For example, 3, 4.5 or say hello in double quotes. Hello is a string literal because it is enclosed in a double quote. 3, 4.5, these are numeric literals and they are constants. That means 3 will remain 3 in the program, 3 will not become 4, never become 4. Next comes the category of operators. Operators are something that trigger an action or a computation or a comparison. Operators are again classified into many types. One of them is arithmetic operators. Just like our mathematical operators are plus, minus, multiply, divide and finding the remainder. Another category is relational operators. Then one other category is logical operators, etc. We will have a detailed look later. Next category is punctuators. Punctuators are symbols like these brackets, this bracket, comma, inverted quotes, hash, etc. So these five are the tokens of a programming language. That means if we see any program, then every element of it can be classified in any one of the five categories.